that. And now it's time to Nihal words. So Nihal గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా కోరుకున్నాం.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಐ ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ತೆಲುಗು. అందరికీ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. నా పేరు నిహాల్ అండ్ ಈ ನಾನು ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದೊಳಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಧಾರವಾಡ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲು ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸರ್. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಬಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಐ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ವಾಸ್ నీ పేరేంటి, నా పేరు ఆర్య. This was the first line I learned in Telugu by watching films. So I'm a big fan of Telugu cinema. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತೆಲುಗು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ವೇ ದೆ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇ, ದ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್, ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ದ ವೇ ದೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಸರ್ ಪೋಕಿರಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದು 200-300 ಸರಿ ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್. ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನದೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾವು ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್. ಸೊ हिंदी ओके, हिंदी
आप हिंदी भी बोलोगे?
हाँ, हुबली से हूँ तो हिंदी आती है मुझे.
ओके.
तो
अच्छी बात है फिर.
No, I'll do it in English and Kannada both. Yeah. So usually what happens when I speak about Vijayanand is a combination of two names, Vijay Sankeshwar and Anand Sankeshwar. You know, as the title suggests, it is a bonding between the father and son. Okay, it is a journey of a father and son, and the most precious thing is about a man who started his journey from one single truck to becoming India's largest logistics company. That is a very huge thing. Anna, one nimsha na matabada. So usually what happens when you're doing a biopic, there should be a reason behind it. Why should you do it? And for an audience also, why should you even watch it? I'm a big fan of Padma Shri Dr. Vijay Sankeshwar sir. I'm from the same hometown. ನಾನು ಸಣ್ಣವರಿದ್ದಾಗಿನೂ I've been hearing about him, I've been reading about him in newspapers, and especially there is one like saying in our Karnataka. I hope the same is here also in Hyderabad. If anyone wants to book a ticket, they'll not tell ನನಗೊಂದು ಬಸ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡು. They'll tell it as ನನಗೊಂದು VRL ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡು. So that is the amount of household name what VRL has earned, Vijay sir and Anand sir has earned. So in 2019, after my first film Trunk, which me and Rishika we have done, that was done in a very small budget in 32 lakhs. We did really good. After that again, as usual, struggle ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊಸಬ್ರು, no one turned up with this opportunity. So we thought, let's create an opportunity for ourselves. Me and Rishika, we planned that why shouldn't we do a biopic from Kannada? This is going to be the first official biopic from Kannada. So we thought the first name I wrote was Vijay Sankeshwar sir. So there I planned that, okay, why shouldn't we do? But Rishika, she said me that, no Nihal, directly going and approaching such a big man is a mistake. Let's do our own homework. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, without having a second thought, we didn't have any investors, we didn't have anyone to back up, we didn't even know that Vijay sir would accept it. But 6 months ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಾವು ವಿಜಯ್ ಸಂಕೇಶ್ವರ್ ಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. We started researching about that. Once we had that proper idea about that, then ಒಂದು ದಿನ ನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ವಿಜಯ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ. ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್, ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಹಾಲ್, I'm from so and so, like I'm a film actor. I wanted to me and Rishika, we wanted to meet you. So Vijay sir like, okay, regarding what? So I said, sir, we thought we wanted to make a film on you. Film ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಏನೂ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ he's telling, I haven't done anything in my life that you want to make a film on me. So he's so innocent. I said, sir, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, you have been inspiring millions of youngsters like me. Please ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ opportunity ಕೊಡಿ sir, we'll come and meet you. So we went and we met Vijay sir. The meeting was for 15 minutes. So that 15 minutes turned out to be 7 to 8 hours of meeting, the first meeting itself. And after that, Vijay sir, Anand sir, and the whole family, they have given us an audio for more than 150 hours. 150 hours they gave us a dictation. ಆ 150 hours ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು 2.5 ಗಂಟೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. For me as an actor, this is my second film as a lead actor. I also started my career as an anchor. I started it in a local channel called as C Bangalore from Karnataka. And no rupee, 100 rupees was my remuneration over there, and that too after 2 months I used to get it. But still, not thinking about any remuneration in my life. I've always been standing here tall only for cinema. So after that, I've done 2 serials, then Trunk, then yes, that's Vijayanand. Again, coming back to Vijayanand, we are speaking about the scale of this cinema. We have shot this cinema for 98 days. 98 ದಿನ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Being in the first schedule, we have shot it at a stretch outdoor for 75 days. I hope that should be a record itself. I don't know, maybe ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ 75 days we have shot at a stretch, and we are really happy to settle that we have even shot at Ramoji Film City over here. Apart from Karnataka, the only place outside Karnataka we shot was at RFC. And yeah, there are 3 different stages of Vijay: young Vijay, middle age, and present. So I have been performing 3 different age groups over here. For young, I had to be at a bit slim, and I had to put on 22 kgs. See, with putting on, reason being is, as a nihal, as myself, I'm a different personality. I wanted to get into the shoes of the character. I wanted to understand the each and every depth. I'll be honest with you. I have seen a movie called as Mahanati, and I'm a big fan of Kirti madam. The way she has acted, that gives like kind of goosebumps to me. So such big actors, the way they have performed, I want to tell myself that if I'm performing, I have to be at par, because the responsibility what I've got on my shoulders is very huge. Vijay Sankeshwar sir, he's a Padma Shri, ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತರಾಗಿರಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. And I'm no one. I'm not a superstar. I don't belong to any big family, nothing. Normal middle class ಹುಡುಗ sir. Just one thing in life I've learned is dream big. ಬಡ ಸಪ್ನ ಬೇಕು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನ ಕಾಣಿ. Go behind that, and God, if you don't have godfathers behind you, there is God who is always taking care of you. This is what I would like to tell. Thank you, and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. The amount of love what you people are showering at our Kannada cinemas, I'm extremely thankful for that. Vijayanand is not just a film, it is an emotion for me, and especially I would like to thank my producer Anand Sankeshwar sir, because ನಮ್ಮಂಥವರಿಗೆ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಟಿಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ. He has taken us the entire Pan India in a chartered flight. So it is like, yeah, for me it is a very big thing. And it is like a dream for me. I have been living my dream. So to all the youngsters out there, dream big. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾರು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ದೇವರೊಬ್ಬ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಉತ್ತರ